So you put together a nice dish, you want it to be ready at a certain time, and it takes an hour or two to bake. Well, if you're gonna be gone and you're not here to start it, most ovens actually have a self-timer that you can use and set it for before you leave. Let me show you how that works. You put the dish in the oven, then you come over here and set the start time you want it to start. For me, I'm gonna put it at 5:30. The cook time, this needs to cook for 2 hours. And then you set the temperature to whatever you want it at. I'm going to put this at 325 and then leave it. When it's all set up, this automatic oven indicator light comes on. The temperature set at 325, but the oven is not on yet. So then you leave home, go wherever it is you were going to go. When the clock hits the time to start, it automatically turns on, heats the oven, and cooks for whatever time you set it for. And when the oven is done, the timer goes off, it stops cooking. And that's how you can use your oven timer to have a nice, delicious homemade meal ready for you when you get home, even if you can't be here right when you need to start it. This channel is geared for young men growing up without a dad. If that's you, then I hope you'll subscribe. Always remember, you can still succeed even if your dad's not in your daily life, and you do have a dad that loves you. And I'll see you on the next video.